It's fast, it's accurate, it's affordable, and it's portable. It's the award-winning Mini-GAC moisture tester, and it's only available through DICKEY-john distributors. Get precision results with 2 models to choose from. The Mini-GAC offers moisture testing, while the Mini-GAC Plus calculates moisture and test weight bulk density. Its menu-driven operating system lets users quickly choose a grain with the push of a button. Plus, there's no pre-weighing needed, and you can test grain hot or cold. To test your grain with the Mini-GAC, you only need to remember to do an empty cell test, fill loader, pull slide, strike grain, and enter. After you press enter, you'll have moisture, and if you're using the Mini-GAC Plus, test weight results in seconds. Casey Norris has never owned a Mini-GAC Plus, but it only took him a couple of minutes to get the hang of it. Then he was able to demonstrate how to use it.
I pulled a sample of corn. All I have to do is press it to test it. I filled my loader up all the way. I set it on top of the tester, pull the slide. It fills the cell up. I take the loader and I strike it because we want the corn level, and I push to test. And in just a few seconds we'll have our answer. And there we go, it's 14.9 with a test weight of 60.5. It's that simple.
So how would Casey use the Mini-GAC Plus on his farm?
The GAC's very simple to use. I can carry it in my pickup. If I want to go to the field and just pull some ears out of the back, shell them here on the back of the truck, and put it right into the tester and test it that way. Or you can carry it in your combine and test your corn and soybeans. And I really like the feature that it has the test weight. That's something I really appreciate.
There's also a lot that Tim Seifert appreciates about the Mini-GAC Plus.
I like the Mini-GAC Plus because of its affordability. The results that it gives me is the same quality as the commercial units, only a lot cheaper. And for a farmer, that's incredible. And also the portability. You know, I can pick this thing up and throw it in the cab of the truck or the combine and always keep my moisture sensors calibrated in my combines, spur of the minute. The extra reason for the moisture and the test weights. It's incredible. It just gives me a lot more information.
That also makes Mini-GAC products award-winning. In 2007, the Mini-GAC line was named a Product of the Year runner-up by Agri-Marketing magazine. And in 2008, the Mini-GAC Plus was a Resource Magazine AE50 winner, an award given to the top 50 innovative products on the market in 2008. Get your hands on the only handheld that offers accurate moisture testing and test weights, the award-winning Mini-GAC and Mini-GAC Plus. Available exclusively from DICKEY-john. To learn more about the full line of GAC products, download our 2009 Farmstead catalog or visit the Agricultural Products section on DICKEY-john.com. You'll also find a complete list of authorized DICKEY-john distributors on the website.